moment that you all have been waiting for. How much did I make on YouTube? I made...
If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for a winner, looking for a 10.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, but if you're an OG, welcome back. As you can tell with this, by the title, this video is going to be about my very first YouTube paycheck. So guys, I have my envelope here. This is what they send you, and I'm going to show you guys a picture of the direct deposit that was deposited into my account on payday. Okay. So just to give y'all a little bit of information in case you don't know how it works or you don't know how people get paid from YouTube. So YouTubers get paid through Google AdSense, and basically that's when a kind of like a commercial or like an ad plays at the beginning of a video. So anytime you watch that, then they're getting paid, and it's per 1,000 views. Okay, so kind of to backtrack, I'm horrible at explaining, but y'all bear with me. I'm try to explain it. Okay, so in order to get your channel monetized so that you can start getting paid from for videos, you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time and at least 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't checked out my older video on my viral video, then you can go check that out. That's basically how I started getting paid. In November, I had a video to go viral on my channel. It was my kidnapped and sold story time. Go check it out if you haven't. So yeah, I had that video go viral, and that's what gave me the 4,000 hours of watch time, because I had already, it gave me over 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch time. And to give you a little bit of background information, I have been doing YouTube for about 2 years, I would say. Started my channel I think in 2016. And I think that was my first video in 2016, 2017, but I was not consistent. I would post like whenever I felt like it. I would, maybe, once every few months. And so, yeah, that was kind of my fault. I could have done better. I still feel like my channel is not where it should be. But then again, YouTube is basically luck, y'all. Like, for me, in my opinion, I think YouTube is luck. I don't know how the algorithm works with YouTube. But, for example, my video that went viral, I had no clue that it was going to go viral. I didn't do anything spectacular. I just sit down, I filmed a video like I filmed all my other almost 200 videos on my channel, and that one just the one that took off. And I know it's probably because it was a time, we're going through a really bad sex trafficking epidemic right now, so I think that's kind of why I went viral. But it's like videos that you don't put much into, that you don't think too much about, and those are the ones that go viral. So yeah, basically all you need is just one big video to take off, and then you're good to go. So once you reach your 4,000 hours of watch time and your 1,000 subscribers, Google will send you an email saying, congratulations, you're now eligible to monetize your videos. So I received that email at the end of November, and so as soon as I received that email, I went through all of my videos on my channel and I put ads in my videos. And I put more ads in my videos that were getting a lot of views, and that's how I got paid through YouTube. Think clearly, Shay. I can't, I'm just all over the place. I downloaded YouTube Studio. I didn't have it on my phone, I just had YouTube, but I downloaded YouTube Studio because every day I could go in and I could check like the amount of money that I make on there. That way it shows me like my analytics and how much I'll be getting paid for the month and things like that. So to kind of backtrack, you get paid, you have this thing called CPM, which is basically how much you get paid per 1,000 views. And since it was like December, my CPM was about $10, $9 or $10. So for every 1,000 views, I got $9 or $10. Now, mind you, for this video that went viral, that's kind of basically what I got paid for. Just this one video, and not even the full video, and I'll get into that later. But on that video, so country, it was at 80,000 views when I could monetize. So I hadn't received a email from Google or anything until I hit 80,000 views. That's when YouTube emailed me and said, hey, you reached your 4,000 hours of watch time and you surpassed 1,000 subscribers, so now you can go place ads in your video so you can start getting paid. And I was like, okay, I'm on my way. I got paid basically from 80,000 subscribers to 100,000, I want to say, because Google took my, YouTube took the ads off of my video. That's a whole nother story in itself. But basically, anytime you have anything that's violent, sexual, anything, or, you know, not, you know, kind of disturbing, I guess you can say, YouTube will take the ads off your video because it says that it's not suitable for all viewers. And since it was, I guess it had sex in the title, it was about a sex trafficking story time, or getting kidnapped and sold. That's why they took the ads off my videos. Sometimes it'll catch it late, and so you're fortunate, like I was fortunate, to get paid before, you know, they called it. Even though it would have been real nice to get paid for like the whole 100 and almost 20,000 views that I have on that video. But anyway, so yeah, when you're making videos, you just want to make sure that it's clean, it's appropriate for all viewers, especially kids, because a lot of kids are on YouTube. If not, YouTube is going to not put ads in their video. So they're not going to take your video down, they're just going to remove the ads so that you don't get paid for that video. The way YouTubers get paid is through sponsorships and affiliate links. I don't really know much about affiliate links. I've had, I think I've had some sponsorship offers. I've taken one of them, and basically it was a hair care line. They sent me some hair care products and I reviewed it on my channel, but they didn't pay me anything because at this time I think I was at like 600 subscribers, and so they didn't, you know, I'm gonna charge, you know, I'm just, send me the free stuff, baby, just send me the free things. So they sent me the free products. I did a video on it on my channel, and that went up. And I had another company reach out to me, but it was like a skin care, body care type of brand, and I don't do that. Like, I just don't put things on my face like that. My face is very sensitive. My skin is very sensitive. I love my skin. It could be better, but I love my skin, and so I'm not going to jeopardize my skin, you know, just for a brand, or just, you know, I'm good. I'm good. I'll stick to like clothes and hair care. And that's pretty much it. If you would like to sponsor me, please hit me up with shaygreenwood@gmail.com. And so yeah, that's basically how they get paid. And affiliate links is the links that they have. If you watch a YouTube video and they have links in their description box for like something they bought from Amazon, if you click on that link and you go by, then they get a percentage of that as well. So that's another way they get paid. Sorry, my granny called me. But what was I saying? I forgot. Oh well. Basically, if you want to start YouTube, just start, because it's just luck. And you do have some channels out there who don't have to work as hard like me. I have almost 200 videos on my channel, and I'm not nowhere near where I think I should be. I think I should be at least 100,000 subscribers, you know, but yeah, you do have those unicorn of a channel where, like for instance, the Janelle, I don't know her name, but she has a pet snake, Alfredo. Y'all know who I'm talking about, the van life girl. She literally posted one video and she got like how many millions of views off that one, on her very first video. So you do have the channels that are like that. They're kind of like the unicorn, but then again, I'm gonna leave that alone. Basically, YouTube has a mind of its own. They promote who they want to promote. They recommend who they want to recommend. And so just stay consistent. For example, if I post, let's say I post one video a month, right, for 12 months. That's 12 videos a year, right? That means that I'll have 12 chances of one of my videos going viral, right? Let's say I post one video every week. That's 52 weeks, so that's 52 videos. I have 52 chances of my videos going viral opposed to 12. So which one would you rather do? That's why I try to post as consistently and as often as possible, because the more you post, the more chances you get of, you know, pushing your channel out there. The more YouTube starts to take you serious and recommends you to other channels. And so yeah, another thing that plays into your YouTube algorithm is when people interact with your videos. So for example, if you go click on my Storytime Kidnapped and Stole video, I have like over 1,000 comments on there. And so if YouTube sees that, hey, people are enjoying this video, they're interacting with this video, whether it's good or bad, you know, negativity or positive, they're saying, hey, people are interacting with this video, people are thumbs upping this video, they're disliking the video, and they're saving and sharing the video, then they'll start recommending you to other channels, especially other channels that are kind of like in your niche. So now let's get into the good stuff. So once I put the ads in my video, you have to hit a threshold of $100. So I had to make $100 before I got my first YouTube check. So my situation is kind of weird because my video took off at the end of December, so I hit $50. My video, let's say my video went viral on the 21st. The cutoff date is the 23rd, so I'm only going to get paid for that video on the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. That's the end of that cutoff period. Kind of like when you have, if you have a 9 to 5, when you get paid every other week, your cutoff day may be a Sunday before you start a new pay period. It's kind of like that. So, the remaining amount, so I had got paid for those 2 days, and the rest of that I would receive the next month. So yeah, like I said, I didn't hit $100 in November, so I didn't get my first paycheck in December. You get paid once a month with YouTube. You get paid on the 21st. So I didn't get paid in December because I didn't hit $100 in November. If you get what I'm saying. If you're confused, I'm kind of sorry. The next day, after the cutoff date, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, in December, I was still making money from this video. Once I hit $100, I went into my YouTube account, my Google AdSense account, and you have to put in your information. You have to fill out this tax form. Don't know if I did that right, honestly. I had to put, and I had to put in my my bank information. After I set that up, YouTube sent me this in the mail. Your pin is going to be here, and then this is just the steps you need to do. So basically, I went on YouTube, put in this pin, and then it said, okay, we're going to send you an amount under $1, and you need to verify it so that we know that you sent us the correct bank account. So the next day, after I put this pin in, the next day Google sent me an amount to my bank account, and I had to go verify it. I think it was like 62, 63 cents that they sent me. So I went on YouTube, and it told me to put the amount that I received in my bank account, and I put 62 or 63 cents. And yeah, that's all I had to do, and the next month I got paid. So the moment that you all have been waiting for, how much did I make on YouTube? So like I said, okay, so I'm just gonna tell, okay, so the amount I made on YouTube for the month of November to December, to the middle of December, I made, and I'll post a little screenshot here. Woo! I'll post a little screenshot here. It was $297 and some change, so $300, y'all. It's not a lot, but it's $300 more than what I had before, so your girl's not mad. I know some people say that every month you make more and more, and I hope that's true. We shall see. Like this video, thumbs it up, help your girl out. For some of my other videos, and I think my amount had went up to $600, $650. It was at like $648, something like that. And every day I noticed that YouTube was taking, like, my amount was decreasing, like, every single day. And I went online, I Googled it, and I watched some YouTube videos, and it hit me. Like, I think I ran across the video, I forgot her name. But I was watching her video, and she talked about how since she had copyright music playing in her video, that she didn't get paid for that. So that's why I didn't get paid for some of my other videos that have more views, because I played copyrighted music. For example, you can't have Beyonce, you can't have Drake, you can't have Chris Brown, you can't have none of that playing in your videos. Google will pay the people who make the music and not you. So basically, the money I was making, they were taking it and giving it away to these celebrities. So y'all won't catch me playing no more music. We just gonna be, I'll sing. I'll do a voiceover, and I'm just gonna sing. I'ma sing because I need my coins. Quit playing with me. They make enough money. They make enough money. Hear me singing in a cover, like a little voiceover? Mind your business. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I just wanted to share this video with you. And although $300 is not a lot, y'all can't know how hype I was when I got paid. Yeah, I've been waiting for this for so long. Like, I thought it was gonna come faster than what it did, but all great things take time. So yeah, on to bigger and better. I have a lot of videos planned for 2020. Hopefully my channel takes off in 2020. If you like this video, share. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share if you care. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what your goals are with YouTube, how many subscribers you want to reach this year. I think my goal is 10,000. We'll see. God's plan. Pretty much it. I think that wraps up this video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Money, 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 money. Money. No, how do you do this? Y'all know I don't be flexing. Let's see how to do it. Do it look like? Boom. Okay, this brightness is just too much. There we go. Okay, cool.